He a wanga mō ngā whānau, mō ngā hapori anō hoki.
I think what we're seeing is that people feel safe by contacting the police because there's not a lot of other options out there at the moment.
Ko te hiahia o te prihimana, kia kōmuru i ngā karanga patu tangata ma te hine ngaro anō hoki, kia waiho mai ngā take ma tētahi atu. Kua hekina ngā tatauranga o ngā karanga ohotata mai te 81 pahianeti I ēnei tau te kau. Wai hoki, e mga harahara ana a tōna mata haere ki tēnei take.
My concern is what occurs currently, Shakayla, and that's around when police are involved, too many people end up in the justice system, clogging up a lot of things. So I'm not terribly concerned about that. I would be concerned if they didn't transfer, if government didn't put further investment into that. But I would really like to see the community services picking up this type of work, social and community services picking up this work.
Ko tētahi o ngā rautake o ngā prihimana o Aotearoa, ko te whakarite he proof of conduct, kia whakaiti ngā tono. E marama ana ngā prihimana I ngā taumahatanga o te wā nei, engari rā, e whakawhanake ana he mahere, kia whakawhiti ngā tono mai ngā prihimana ki ngā pukapū, mō te hunga e noho a wanga ana I ēnei tau, e rima.
I think a lot of whānau live in really extreme circumstances, but I also believe that they're not looked after now, because police will do their one call, arrest, whatever, PSO, whatever, and then those whānau are left. There is no one really working with them. We don't have the right services to do that. So the only concern I've got now, Shakayla, is if we do move into this direction, we need some capacity building in our communities, and we need Māori approaches. We need kaupapa approaches to this.
Ko tā te kai whakahaere o he wakatapu a Jackie Burrows, I whakatūria he nama waia ko Hey Bro mō ngā tau e whetū, hei āwhina I ngā prihimana me te mea hoki, he whakataunga pai.
Now that phone line took away some of the police pressures by people being able to ring us when they were in crisis and they felt they might harm somebody. To get a call from to us where we were able to de-escalate and support without the police being involved. Well, if we can get those things funded well and appropriate services being provided, then I think the police have a good reason to be able to reduce those calls that are not police related. Those sort of things could be managed really well within a community if we were funded.
Tāre ana te wā, ka kite ina ka tango ka noho rānei ngā prihimana ki ēnei karanga o te hāpore. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.